Okay, now we're at a different viewing angle. It's heel weight time. This is a copper pipe filled with lead with a hook on the end of it and some hooks that can hang within the socks yarn. And that's going to keep tension pulling down on this half of my sock while I continue to add stitches to create a pocket that will become the heel. To make the first stitch of the heel, I must lift up one needle and then make my way around to the other side. Then lift up a needle on that side and come back the other direction. And I've got to continue doing this until I've done 2/3 of the half circle, 1/3 on each side. And as I do it, I need to continue to remember to move my heel weights around to continue keeping a tension on so that I don't drop a stitch. Because with all of this mechanism in front of me, dropping a stitch would be impossible to pick back up again without taking the whole machine apart, and that just isn't something that I want to try doing. You can kind of tell when the stitches don't pull back down that it's time to move the heel weight a little bit. I've got my 2/3 markings done in white. You can't really see them from your angle. I guess maybe you could see a little drop of white on the top of this one, but the fronts of these are white. That's where my target is. I've reached my target of 2/3. Now I need to work my way back to half so that I can continue and knit the foot. Then we'll have to do this operation all over again to create the toe. To work my way back, I need to drop 2 needles, stitch through them, and lift 1. Go to the other side and drop 2, and lift 1. Go back to the other side and drop 2, and I have to do this back and forth until I've reached back to my halfway mark.